Hey boys and girls, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. As always, so excited to be here with you. So it is Friday. Good song, right? So your paper, your packet at the top should say Friday, all tens partners. That means we're going to write down all of the tens partners right now. So on your paper, please do what I've done, which is put a 5 in the first one, and then a 6, and then a 7, and then an 8, and then at the bottom a 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So please do that now. Pause the video if you need to. All right, and now what we're going to do is list the tens partners. So 5 and what makes 10? 5 and 5. So we're going to write down 5. Okay, and we know that because we can prove it if there's 5 here, right, up top, and we double it, which is we add the same amount, and we have 10, okay? So what I would like you to do, and some of you are getting really good at this and really fast, but I do want you to prove it. So for today, we want to get all of our tens partners down, and I want you to draw in the circles, okay? All right, so 6 plus what equals 10? 6 plus what equals 10? Show me fingers. 6 plus how many more? So it's 6. I'm going to do 6 plus 4 more, right? You can see that, right? 6 plus 4. Okay? You can always use your fingers if you forget. So boys and girls, you can picture in your head, even if you don't have paper and pencil with you, right? If you're trying to remember your doubles, you can always imagine a tens frame, right? Or you could imagine your hand. You could imagine or actually use your hands to figure it out, okay? To find your tens partners. All right. So if we have 7, how many more to make 10? We would need to add, let's see, 1, 2, 3, right? We know that, 3 more. So we're going to write 3 here. 7 and 3 makes 10. And then you would go back and you would fill in, if you haven't already, you would have your 6 circles here and your 7 circles. If you have 2 different colors, it's ideal, but if you don't have it, it's okay. And then you add 4 more. And then you add, oh, that's not 7. That's 7 green plus 3 more, and that makes 10. So you can visually see it, right? Okay, so I want you to do the same thing for 8 and 9. All right, and then over here, we're going to do the switch of that. So for example, if you look at 6 and 4, right? 6 and 4 makes 10, but so doesn't 4 and 6. Okay, so right next to it, you would do the other one. So here you would do 3 and 7. Here you would do 8 and what? 8 plus what equals 10? So if I have 8, how many more do I need to get to 10? Just 2 more right there. Okay? So over here you would do 2 and 8, 9 and 1, 1 and 10. So then you have a piece of paper that has all your tens partners that you can always refer to. Okay, so you can either pause the video right now and do that, or you can continue with the video and then at the end go back and finish that up, okay? All right. So if you're just getting back to me, welcome back. Today's Friday word problem is missing. What happened to it? Where did it go? Well, I'll tell you what happened to it. I didn't write one because I want you to come up with one. So most of the week, it's been Sasha and her magic double wand. So maybe it could be a word problem about you and your magic double wand. If you need to know how to spell that, it's in your packet, but I'll put it right here. Magic double wand. Okay? So maybe you have something that you really want more of, and you can count how many you have and then say, if I use my magic double wand, I could double it. And then how many would you have? All right, and then you can put your equation down here. So again, you can pause the video right now and do that, or you can continue, and when I'm done with the video, you can go back and finish it. All right, so the last thing that you're going to do today is going, I gotta find it, is going to be your Friday doubles plus 1 game. All right, so our Friday doubles plus 1 game, right, looks just like this. Friday doubles plus 1, same as we did yesterday. Okay, you take your, you can use this one. You can also use your dot dice if you prefer. Okay, if some of the bigger numbers are hard, you can use this because the highest number on this will be 6. So if I use this one and I roll, I get a 4. Okay, so just like yesterday, we're gonna do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's doubles plus 1 game, which means we're going to double it. So I'm going to do another 4. If you have 2 different color markers, I like doing it that way. I can see it better. So I did 4 more plus 1 more. Okay, so this one right here, I'm going to do plus 1 more. So I've doubled the 4. And how much is that? 4 and 4 makes how much? You probably know that by now, right? That's 8. That's one of our doubles numbers, 8. Okay, so if we know that that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 more, then 8 is what? 9. So, oh, not 4, sorry. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So you have 4 colored in up here. You have 5 here. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. You can always use, if you prefer, boys and girls, if it helps you, you can also use your connecting cubes. So you could pull these out, and you could do 4, and then you could do 4 more. Oops. Right? Oh, am I in the way? Sorry, I'm always, Mr. McAndrew, always in the way. Right, and you could do 4 more, and you could add this one right here. So you've got 4 plus 5 is the same as 4 plus 4 plus 1 more. Okay, so that's the idea that we're trying to get at. All right, so boys and girls, you've got 3 things. You've got your tens partners to write in. You've got your word problem to make up. Make it fun, okay, make it interesting. And you have your game to finish. There's this side, and then there's one more page after that. All right, have a wonderful weekend. Great job. Keep looking for doubles, okay? And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.